I've got a really big burp coming tomorrow. It's going to be a movie.
Not going to be a movie.
That was disgusting! I had more.
That was the biggest one of all. What happened?
It got trapped. I'm trapped now.
You look like you've had to pass out.
Am I blue?
No.
Once Alana went to strangle me, I nearly went blue.
Nice.
It's coming.
You look like put yourself. Ollie. Will you move, please? That was disgusting.
That was a good one. Someone was trapped.
You got really trapped in, didn't you? Does it hurt in here?
It hurts here.
Yeah, that's what happened.
It goes. And like that one, we were just watching it, and you go. I think I was coming. Really stinky wind.
Holly!
Oh, at least I'm not wearing these trousers tomorrow, it's going to be stunk, by the way.
That's disgusting.
There's a cat over there, sorry, but the light's on. One more. You got it.
You're disgusting.
Oh, wait, later. I'll show you if I can do the alphabet.